In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time and effort in Monday.com. We'll walk through this directly inside a sample board so you can follow along on your own screen. To start, open Monday.com and navigate to the board where you manage your work. In this example, the board is called Single Project, but on your side, it might be a client name, an internal project, or a team board. The key is that you're opening the specific board where you want to track time. Once you see your list of boards, click into your project board. This will open the main table view where your items, groups, and existing columns are displayed. Take a second to make sure you're in the right place, because the changes you're about to make will apply to this specific board. Next, we're going to add the right column to track time and effort. Look towards the right-hand side of your columns, where you'll see an option that lets you manage or add more columns. This is often represented as a plus icon or a More Columns button. Click on that to open the column center. Inside this menu, you'll see a variety of column types. Here you can choose the tracking method that makes the most sense for your workflow. For example, a time tracking column if you want to log actual hours spent, or a numbers or formula column if you're estimating effort in points or hours. For this walkthrough, we're focusing on enabling a column suitable for tracking effort on each task. Once you've found the column you want, click Add to Board. You should now see the new column appear on the far right of your table. If there are any old or duplicate columns you no longer need for tracking time or effort, you can clean those up now. Hover over the column header you want to remove, open the small menu on that column, and choose Delete. When Monday.com asks you to confirm, click Delete again. Be careful here because deleting a column will remove all the data it contains, so only do this for columns you're sure you don't need. With your time or effort column added and any unused ones removed, you can start using it on each item. Click into a cell under that column for a specific task, and you'll be able to enter or adjust the time or effort values. Repeat this across your items so your board consistently reflects the work being done. That's all you need to set up time and effort tracking on your Monday.com project board.